Welcome to the Kona Salt Farm on Hawaii's Big Island, where tradition meets nature. Here, the cold, mineral-rich Pacific waters are transformed into one of Hawaii's treasures, pure, naturally harvested salt. Our guide, Ipalani, shared stories that connect us to the island's deep-rooted culture. The process might seem scientific, but it's truly mesmerizing. The cold waters are carefully evaporated, leaving behind not just salt, but a blend of essential minerals and vitamins, such as my favorite, magnesium. At Tasty 10, we cherish salt as more than just a seasoning. It's essential for life. We use various salts to elevate our blends, celebrating the connection between nature and our culinary creations. Join us as we explore the rich waters of Hawaii, transforming them into pure, mineral-rich salt. Stay tuned for more.